Ladies and gentlemen, on the bottom of your screen, you might say President of the United States of America. Today we bring you on this massive broadcast. Our friend Donald Trump, he is also a president. I am the assistant president. I got my vice secretary with me, protecting me. I got my guards on the door. You can't find shit. Anyways, I'm gonna bring you some very, very bad storms reports. Reports are saying there's multiple wildfires everywhere. Big fires, small fires that will become big fires. Now, due to the wind and this long era of storms, the trough that goes through, goes up and down, has a lot of storm. Now, this is caused by the ocean and the North Pole, and it goes to the middle of the earth, warms up, and that's how you get a trough. A down or a low pressure system is moving into the United States of America now. Okay, for your safety, a mandatory watch advisory has been issued state, nationwide. Just statewide. This broadcast is live. Even though you know our Mercy broadcast gonna get these mics out of my nose now. And today we bring the breaking news. Because these weathers are changing rapidly, thunderstorms are highly likely. And Kentucky's might or might not get some tornadoes. The last one did catastrophic damage, like colossal damage, mega colossal damage, catastrophic mega colossal damage. Because its path was tornado warning, like 20 times. It was guaranteed a It was EF4, and shout out to Signalist Matter. Okay, and we still are continuing Battle Cat series, Legend series. We know how many stories of legends there are, so that's why we're making them into a sequel series. So please and thank you. We thank you for listening to these podcasts. Evacuation has been implemented. Evacuate an area now. A hurricane watch for California and Florida and Mexico has been issued. The coastlines are closed due to hurricane watch. Hurricane season is very early. This is ex-solstice. The weather's not the same. That's why it changes from solstice to ex-solstice. Everything that changes between the weathers. Okay, you might learn that in 4th or 6th, whatever grade, and you learned it from, I do not care. Every school will end on May 22. Therefore, very harsh weather, including Harrison County Middle School and the new high school building, is going to get blown to miseries. Okay, there's a possible thunderstorm watch headed for the schools, so coastlines are closed, schools might be closed due to significant levels of freaking storms. This is just like April and May. These are probably the two most hot spots that's gonna hit the records for lots of storms. Like April's era was above 90. Like it was above 90. Because USA gets about 100, 200, 1,200 tornadoes. That is so not likely because guess what? There's so many tornadoes coming in. So it's likely. So take shelter. Okay? Take shelter if needed. Every state in the U.S. is under alarm red. This trough that's moving very, it's gonna be a long period of storms, clear skies, lightning strikes are possible. And yeah. Um thank you. Um if you're watching this Serious Matter, just know I very appreciate you. As assistant president, you are very good in my books. You are great. And keep up the good work. Because this world loves you. You're popular. Okay? Okay? That should say 2025, not 2024. I don't know what. I mean, they did vote me assistant president because guess what? I get to help the main one, Donald Trump himself. He's like, let's make America great again. Yes, sir. Can Mexico and California is going to join now. Therefore, this flag behind me are not going to have 50 states. There's going to be 13 more and probably a few more for Mexico, but we called it in the National Guard to deal with the drug dealers, the drug lords, and all them bad people that do drugs, contraband, and everything will be banned from Mexico. That's why we make sure to tell Donald Trump to secure the border, because the other president, the other one that y'all voted for, is bad in my books, including Donald Trump's book. She is not taking care. She don't give a crap. We told the secretary to be on the lookout, just in case if something happens. Okay? This mercy alert is very vital to your safety. Mankind is vulnerable to every nuclear strike and nuclear bombs. We got the most. When we did space race, nuclear bomb race, and who can make the most nuclear bombs, and who can make the most cars, who can make the most the moon race, how many freaking spaceships can we make, and yeah, we know who won. Okay, don't rub it in my face. Okay, they are bad. They are bad. I know that I know that TikTok's back, but I'm still worried that the Chinese are gonna be upset that their TikTok's gone. But I mean, they're Chinese. What else? There's some good ones and some bad ones out there. The president is very goodish. Like, sort of good, sort of bad. So, I'm not saying that I hate him. No, I don't. No hate to any presidents out there. Love y'all. Keep up the good work, including me. I'm doing good work. Everybody stay safe in your states. Take shelter if needed. Storms are going to still continue long periods. Take shelter if needed. Be careful of tornadoes.